Alright, welcome to the YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how to get your money back if you were scammed on Venmo. First things first is to get on Venmo and try to request the money back from the person who scammed you. Now, I know that sounds crazy because you just got scammed by this person. He's probably not going to send your money back, but you're doing this to cover your bases so you can have some documentation on there for when you complete the second step. So you're going to want to click Pay Request. Let's just pretend that it was this person. You will request the amount of money here that they stole from you, and then you would put, I want my money back or something like that. You scammed me, something like that. Whatever it is that you want to write in your notes, and then you request it. All right, now if that person doesn't send you your money back, you want to come here into the settings at the top right hand corner, settings, go down to get help, and then contact us. And you can chat or email them. Put in your dispute with them. Customer support should get back with you once they do their due diligence on what happened and they can verify that you were scammed and you're the victim. They will 9 times out of 10 give you your money back, but they'll work out a solution for you nonetheless. So there you have it, how to get your money back on Venmo if you were scammed. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Make sure you like and subscribe the video, and thank you for watching.